Is Dr. Iti. Now today we are going to explain in this problem. Evaluate the integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx for all x belongs to I minus a comma plus a in this closed interval. Okay, first of all write the given integral. What is the given integral? Integral of 1 by a square minus x square. Now find out what is the value of 1 by a square minus x square. Okay, here applying the formula. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So in the same formula here a square minus x square. In place of b here just x is there. Therefore a plus b into a minus b means a plus x into a minus x. After that this term will get to write 1 by 2a 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x. After simplifying this term will get it the same term. So were possible to choose. Here write 1 by 2a into 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x. Now solve the given evaluated integral. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. What is the value of before we are going to find out 1 by a square minus x square means 1 by a minus x 1 by 2a into 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x. So here write 1 by 2a integral of 1 by a minus x. Now integrating this only 1 by 2a is a constant dx plus integral of 1 by a plus x dx. Okay, now integrate 1 by 2a. Here integral of 1 by a minus x. Integration of 1 by x means log x. In place of x, a minus x is there. Log of modulus a minus x. X means minus x means here minus 1. So write minus log of modulus of a minus x. Here also same formula. Here plus x is there. So log of modulus of a plus x after integrating adding the constant plus c. 1 by 2a. Here log a minus log b formula log of a by b. So log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is the solution. Okay, thank you.